Hello everybody, welcome back to the Ambitious Peasant channel, and sorry about that intro. I know it's so corny, but I am excited today because something came in the mail, and it is the Aviche Personal Air Purifier, which I ordered via Lazada. So I waited a couple of weeks for this to get delivered, and finally it's here. And why don't we do a little unboxing? Looking at the front of the box, you'll see the name Aviche and some Chinese characters. I don't know how to read them. On the side, it says M1 with some Chinese characters. On the bottom, it's a serial number and the trademark. And the whole box is properly sealed with plastic. So why don't we use and get these scissors to open this box and rip off the plastic. Yes, I can do this. There you go. Yeah, I got it. Okay. And here it is. Okay, let's take a look at this. Let's check this side first. Okay, I have here the cord for the charger. There you go. So it's really just the cord, which has the USB port and this male I don't know what type of charger this is. It's not a C type, but it's similar to the Samsung one, the older ones. Sorry about that. Yeah, we have here the manual. It's a proper manual actually. It looks nice, very well made. Opening it up, you see all of the instructions there, and it has this QR. Maybe let's try this QR if it works and see where it leads us to. Let me get my phone. One moment. Okay. Let's see where this leads to. Sorry about the data. It's very slow. Oh, it led to a WeChat app. But yeah, let's put that aside first. Alright, so let's take this device out of the box and check under this. There's nothing there. Okay. The device has this string so that you can put it and wear it around your neck. Let me put this away. One moment. Let's attach this little thingy that helps you adjust the string. So when you're wearing it around your neck, it can be adjusted depending on your liking, whether it's low or high around your chest, depending on what you're wearing and your preference, of course. Okay, we have that on. It has this wick-like material here where the negative ions are emitted from. That's what I'm guessing. Let's turn it on. So it's on when you see the blue light is on. Right here, you see the port for the charger. Sorry, I really can't get over this wick-like material here, like a candle's wick. So weird, but I guess that's how it works. So let's try charging this. Let me get my power bank. So I got this power bank right here. I'm not sure if I was able to charge it, but let's see if it has enough power to charge the device. Oh, it's charging. Okay, cool. So when it's charging, you can see that the red light is on. And while you are charging, you can also use it and turn it on. So the red and blue lights are on. And yeah, I think that's cool. So there you go. I think that's it for the unboxing of my Aviche personal air purifier device. And I guess the next thing to do is to try it on to see whether it works, if it's working fine, and make another video, a follow-up video and a review of the performance and whether it's working. So yeah. Thank you again for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Surprise, surprise, it's not the end of the video yet. I decided to insert some mod shots here, and you can see the device around my neck, and I prefer wearing it closer to my nose for utmost effectivity.